Hi and welcome to our channel, the best place to learn how to use and master Canva. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and edit a TikTok video from your phone, something that looks like this. And as you can see, we will have an image as a background. We are going to add a phone, some animations, an end frame, and if you want, you can also include music from Canva. I'm going to show you everything in this step-by-step video tutorial, and every step or everything that I'm going to show you today is free, so you can do this if you have a Canva free account or a Canva Pro account. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any of the tricks. And are you guys ready for this tutorial? Let's go to my phone. Okay, so I am already here inside my Canva app. And what I'm going to do is to go to the search box on top and I'm going to type TikTok. So let's type TikTok. And then we have a couple of suggestions. One that is TikTok video. There is another that is called end frame, magazine cover, background. So I just want to show you the TikTok video, but I'm going to go for a TikTok end frame at the end of this. So I just wanted to show you a couple of templates that are available here in Canva. I think they're really cool and you can create a lot of creative videos with these templates. But for this tutorial, let's go and select the second suggestion. So TikTok end frame. And here I like these templates because this is what I'm going to be adding at the end of my video, so people know that if they want to receive more tips or videos or tutorials like this one, they can follow me on TikTok. So let's select one of these. Let me see which one I prefer. I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, so here I am in the Canva editor and I have the end frame. So where do I add the first part of the video? I'm going to tap on the bottom right. You will see some squares that says 1. That means that I only have one page in this document. So I'm going to tap there. And now I have this other view in which I have the first scene or the first page and then another page with a plus icon. I'm going to tap on the plus icon. So like that, I have two pages now on my document, my Canva document. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag the first page, drag it to the right. And now Canva takes me back to the editor, but I'm just tapping out of the background or outside the page. And now I see that I have two pages. So you see on the bottom right corner, this icon says 2. I'm going to open it again just to show you that the first page is empty and the second one has the end screen. So I'm going to select the first page, just going to select it, and you will see that in the bottom left corner we have an X. So let's tap on that icon and now I'm in the first page. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add first the image that I want to have in the background of this video. So I'm just going to tap on the background and you will see that below the empty page there is now a menu. So I'm going to tap on replace. And now we have this dark window, let's say, opening from below, and we have on the top section a couple of different options. One that says uploads, photos, videos, and camera roll. So I'm going to select one of the photos from Canva's library. So I'm going to photos, and then I'm going to select any of these photos that we have here. If you have a Canva free account, just make sure that you are selecting a free photo in order for you to download your video without having to pay anything else. In my case, I have a Canva Pro account, so I can use any of the photos, and I'm just going to select, I guess maybe this scenery image can look nice. So yeah, just going to select this one. If at the end of the video I realize that I don't really like this photo, I can change it really easily, so don't worry about this. Okay, so now that I have my image in the background, what I'm going to do is to add a phone. So I'm going to tap on the fast action button or the fab button. That is the plus icon that you see on the bottom of the screen on the left. I don't know if everyone sees this icon on the left or on the right, but just try to find this plus icon. I'm just going to tap on it and I'm going to elements. I'm going to type phone frame and hit return. Okay, so here we have a couple of options. You can select either of them. I'm going to go for the middle one. I see that it has a little like white stroke, so why not? I thought maybe it was going to look nice with the background because the image is kind of dark in the bottom, so I think this white outline looks nice. Okay, so now that I have my phone, I'm going to select or tap again on the phone, and then you see here that below we have this menu that we can actually slide. So what I'm going to do is to select this button that says replace. So replace, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to access my camera roll, my gallery in my phone. And before recording this video, this tutorial that I'm doing right now, I recorded my computer screen just to show people one of the new features in Canva, right? So you should have your video ready before starting this. You should be, I don't know if you do like dancing or, well, anything that you want to share on TikTok. You should have it already on your camera roll. So I'm going to select that video. Okay, so let's go to camera roll. And here it is the video that I'm going to use on my TikTok. Okay, I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds until this video is uploaded into Canva. We have to wait a little bit because I have heard of some people that maybe they don't wait long enough for their videos or images to be uploaded to Canva. Then just go to download video, and the video will download without the videos and without the images. So just wait a couple of seconds until your media or your video, your photos are uploaded to Canva. Okay, so now that we have this, what I would like to do is to add like a text box. So when people are scrolling on TikTok, they see, you know, like this text that is kind of like explaining what is the video about, and maybe they will stop instead of keep scrolling, right? So let's go again to our fab icon or fab button, the fast action button, and let's select the text option. Okay, so here we have a couple of options. You can actually go for one of these options with effects. I think I'm going to select actually one of these, why not? Okay, so I have my text box. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change or personalize or customize each of these text boxes. So I'm just going to tap on it until I have access to the text and I can actually type what I want to type. Okay, so as you can see here, because the size of the text is so big, I don't see the new feature in just one line, but it's broken into 3 lines. So what I'm going to do is to search here for font size, and I'm going to reduce the font size like this, and then I'm just going to select the second text box and enter my text and do the same. If the font size is too big, I'm just going to change it here. You can also change the color of your fonts. And what I can see here that I would like to change as well is that there is a big gap between the 2 text boxes. So what I'm going to do is to try to find this option that says ungroup. So what it means is that these two text boxes, as you can see, when I move them, they are moving both text boxes at the same time. So let's ungroup them. And like that, we have more flexibility when designing our video, let's say, because we can move them as we wish. Let's say something like this. And actually, maybe why not, let's make the first text box in just one line. Going to reduce the size again, so it's kind of aligned to the second text box, like this. And another thing that I would like to mention is that this text, I don't want it to be very high, like on this section. I want it to be around this area, because if we leave this text around this area, we may have the following or the for you text that is imprinted or embedded in the platform on top of this text, so it might be difficult to read. So that's why I'm trying to pay attention to the safe areas and trying to keep everything in the center of this design. Okay, and now that we have this first page or this first scene of the video ready, I'm going to slide my screen, just going to swipe like this, and I'm going to customize my end frame. So if you want, you can actually insert an image to the background. So I selected the background, and here on this menu I'm going to tap on replace. Going to the Canva library, we can use the same photo if we wish, or we can use a different photo. I'm going to change this photo for one of myself, why not? Let's try to find something here. Okay, and then I'm just going to change the tag for mine. Okay, so as you can see here, the tag or the text box that contains my tag or my username, it's broken into two lines. So I'm just going to do the same exercise or the same steps. I'm going to font size and reduce the size of the font of the tag, and that should be it. I think I'm just going to remove the text that says fashion, because that is not related to the topic or the tutorials that I share. So I'm just going to ungroup these elements and select the text box or the text, and I'm just going to delete it like this. And that should be it. Maybe we can change the text color if we want. I think the dark color is not so easy to read. I think that looks better. And now I'm going to add something extra, because I told you that I was going to add some animations to this. So I'm selecting the background of this page, and now in this slider I find this icon that says animate. So let's tap on it, and we can select any of these options that we see here. Some of them have a little crown on the top right corner, and that means that these animations are available only for Canva Pre users. But if you have a Canva free account, you can select any of these from tumble, rise, pan, fade, block, any of these, and it should be completely free. You won't have any issues downloading these kind of videos. So because I have a Canva Pro account, I'm going to use the stomp animation. Going to tap on done, and now I think I'm just going to add something extra. Let's go to the fab icon, the plus icon that we see on the bottom right. Going to elements, and now here I'm just going to delete this old search, and I'm going to add heart space sticker and hit return. So let's try to find, I'm actually trying to find something animated. So it could be something like this. This is perfect. Just wanted to add this little heart around this area, and I'm just going to tilt it a tiny bit. I think this should be fine. And now, lastly, if you guys want to use a song from the Canva library, you can go again to this plus icon in the bottom and hit music. And here we have a bunch of free songs. Most of them, I will say that they are available for Canva Pro users. If you have a Canva free account, you can also use any of these songs with the Pro label or the crown, but then you will have to pay for the license of these specific sounds or these specific tracks. There are a bunch of free songs, so if you have a Canva free account, just try to find them. And in my case, I'm just going to select any of them because I have a Canva Pro account. I won't have any issues with this. So let's say that I'm going to select, let's see, this one. Why not? Just going to tap on it. And here I can actually drag the selection of the song. So I can select the specific part that I want on my video. So I think this is good. And now let's download this video. Let's publish it to TikTok, right? I'm going to the navigation bar on top and I'm going to hit this icon that has the arrow pointing up. So here Canva opens this menu and we can download this video, or we can download it as image, or we can share this animation. But we also have the option to go directly to TikTok. So let's tap here on TikTok. I'm going to select here this menu and select all pages and then hit done and then continue to payment, which in my case, because I have a Canva Pro account, I won't have to pay anything else. I'm just going to wait. Canva is preparing my design or my video. Okay, so Canva already prepared my video and took me directly to TikTok. So let's see the outcome. Okay, it worked really fine. It worked really nice. I just had previously a little error or a bug or a mistake in which the text box was looking, or it was placed above the orange box, like it wasn't situated in the right place. So what I did is that I went back to Canva, I selected the text box that had the issue, and then I just ungrouped it. If you have a similar issue to what I'm explaining, just do that. Just ungroup it and do the same steps to bring this video to TikTok or to publish it. So I really hope you liked this video. If you liked it, just leave it a thumbs up, and if you create a TikTok video with this tutorial, just tag me on TikTok. I would love to see your creations. I'm excited actually to see what you are going to create, what is your content about, so just tag me there, Diana Munoz TV. I couldn't find my name, so I had to add the TV at the end of it. And yeah, I would love to connect with you guys over there. Okay, and before I forget, I also wanted to share that next week I'm going to publish one video that many of you have been requesting, and I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram puzzle. So if you are interested in that tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and if you are already subscribed, just hit the bell button so you receive a notification when we upload the next video. And I guess subscribing is also a nice way to support this channel. We are aiming to reach 100,000 followers, so yeah, if you just want to contribute to that, just hit the subscribe button. And if you want to keep learning about Canva, I'm going to leave some tutorials right here that I think you are going to really like. And I'm also going to leave an affiliate link in case that you want to try Canva Pro for free for 45 days. That is 15 days more than inside the Canva website. So I guess that's everything for today. I wish you a nice day and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!